natin ngayon ang mga newly crowned Binibining Pilipinas beauties. Sina first runner-up Richelle Angalos, Binibining Pilipinas International Melody Girls Back, Binibining Pilipinas Universe Pamela Bianca Manalo, Binibining Pilipinas World Marian Umali, at second runner-up Regina Han. Congratulations sa inyo. This is for Melody, Pamela, and Mary Ann. Do you have plans of joining showbiz?
For me, as of the moment, I haven't thought of it. I'm concentrating myself on the international pageant. So basically, my mind is set on the trainings, whether it is walking and public speaking and other kind of trainings.
For
me, I'm not closing any doors. If I can contribute to the movie industry, then why not?
And Mary Ann?
Yes, I am not closing my doors for anything, but now I'm still focusing on being Binibining Pilipinas World.
For Rich naman. Rich, anong feeling mo ngayon?
Well, I'm still happy that I landed in the top 5 in Binibining Pilipinas 2009, and I know that I've done a pretty good job in the pageant, so I'm satisfied and I'm content.
And for Regina, ikaw naman, anong immediate plans mo?
Well, for now, I'll just dedicate my time to Binibining. Maraming mga trainings in store for us, trainings sa speaking, sa walking, maraming din kaming mga guesting, so I plan to dedicate my time to fulfilling my duties as second runner-up.
Thank you very much, ladies, and good luck to all of you.
Thank you. Thank you.